Merhaba, hoş geldiniz. Today we're going to be talking about how you would ask for things with and without. So today's lessons, it's all about with and without. I'll put some words down. Süt, which means milk, şeker, sugar, acı. Acı means hot and bitter, but normally if you're talking in food-wise, it's like spicy hot. Sauce, it's sauce. Kaşar, which means cheddar cheese. Limon, lemon. Soğan, onion. Ice cream, dondurma. Mushroom, mantar. Domates, tomatoes. Baharat is your spices, mixture of spices. And say if you go into a restaurant and you want to ask, you want your coffee with milk. How would you say that? So you would say sütlü. Süt, because it's a ü, so it's in the alphabet, the 8 vowels. We'll separate the 8 vowels into the ones that don't make a sound, a, o, u, or the soundy ones, I, or e, I, u. So because we've got ü here, it will be l, ü. Sütlü. Kahvemi sütlü alırım. I take my coffee with milk. Sütlü. Şeker, which is sugar, because it's e again here, so we're going to apply şekerli. Şekerli. Acı, it's a silent one, so it'll be acılı. Acılı. Sauce, it's o, so it'll be soslu. Soslu. If you were to try and do that as soslu, you're having to change your mouth. This is how we know which one to apply. Soslu, soslu, soslu. So your lips still purge. Soslu, soslu, soslu. So because you, excuse me, so it'll be soslu. Excuse me. Kaşar, which means cheddar cheese. Peynir is the other word that we use, peynir, but that normally applies for the white cheese. Peynir. Kaşar is cheddar cheese. Kaşar, because it's got a. Kaşar. Now, if you were going to put kaşarlu, again, kaşarlu, kaşarlu, it doesn't roll, it doesn't make sense, but the sound doesn't sound right. But if you do kaşarlı, kaşarlı, kaşarlu, kaşarlu. So if you practice, you would know which one you're going to apply. So it's just putting L and then deciding which letter it's going to be depending on which line of the vowels it is. It always goes by the last vowel in the word. Here we've got limon. It's got I here, so you would think that, but because we don't take the first vowel, it's always the last one, and on the last one it's o. O. So therefore, limonlu. Again, if you're going to go limonlu, 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 limonlu. So once you get into using more words in Turkish, you would know exactly which one you're going to apply. So here it'll be limonlu. Normally, if it is the O's and the U's, it is O and U again because your lips are already purged out. Onion, soğan, soğanlı. Ice cream, dondurma. Dondurma. So we've got, it ends with a vowel, dondurma. But because it's L, dondurmalı. Normally, if we're going to apply like an ending and it starts with a vowel, then you would put a Y. But in here, because we've got L, the consonant in between, you're fine. Dondurmalı with ice cream. So you want your dessert with ice cream. Dondurmalı. Mushroom, mantar. Mantarlı. Mantarlı, because it's a, so it's therefore mantarlı. Mantarlı, mantarlı. Mantarlı sounds better. Domates, because it's e here, we're going to apply li. Domates li. Does that make sense? Spice, like I said, it means baharat. Baharatlı, because it's a. Baharatlı. So this is how you would say you want something with. So having these endings to it, it means you want it with milk, with sugar. You want it hot, spicy. With sauce, with cheese, with lemon, with onion, with ice cream, with mushroom, with tomatoes, with spices. Now, how would you say without? So you want your coffee without milk. Sütsüz. This case, it's going to be, because it's ü again, it's going to be sütsüz. I've done a few so you would see the pattern. So kahvemi sütsüz istiyorum. I want my coffee without milk. Kahvemi sütsüz istiyorum. Şeker, which is sugar. You don't want no sugar in your tea. Şekersiz lütfen. Şekersiz. Siz. So it's always S and Z, and then it depending which vowel it ends with for you to put that in the middle. Acı, what do you think that's going to be? So it's going to be S again, and it's going to be Z on the end, but we need to put a vowel in there. Here we've got so it'll be acı, sız. Sos, suz. Sossuz. Kaşar, sız. Limon, suz. Soğan, it's a, sız. Soğansız. So, do you get the pattern? It's always S and Z, and we just need to put the vowel in between. And if you see, it's exactly the same vowels that we are using when we said with. We've used, so it's just the same vowel but adding the S and the Z in between. Dondurma, sız. Mantar, sız. So you don't want your curry with mushrooms. Mantarsız. Domatessiz. Baharatsız. So that's how you would apply it with and without. A lot of people tend to find it difficult because they don't know how to do it. So they say, you know, mantar yok or süt yok. Are you one of those people? There's so many people that do that. But seeing it like this, I think you can see that it's not that hard really. So give it a go and let me know how you get on. I should really give you some for you to do it. What shall we say? Come up with some ideas. Okay, salt. So salt is tuz. So yeah, you might not want salt in your dinner. What else can we say? we will say sirke, which is vinegar. Sirke. Sirke. Meat, which is et. What else? Oh, I can't think. Well, I can't think. So if I can give you at least 5 words that you can do yourself, quick. Without bread, or with bread. Bread is ekmek. And I need one more. Ekmek. I honestly can't think of one at the moment. It's bad, isn't it? But there you go. At least you've got some there to do for yourself. So come on, give it a go and fill the blanks out of these to say with and without. And it's depending on the vowels. So you learn these vowels, then you'll know which ones you're going to apply. And it's always the last vowel in the word. So the last vowel. Okay, so have a go and let me know how you got on with this. Okay, until next time. Take care. Thanks for watching. I hope you like my videos. If you